The Amazon Affiliate Program is a great way to earn money online. It's a popular choice for many people looking to generate passive income from the comfort of their own homes. It's simple. You promote Amazon products, and when someone buys through your link, you get a commission. This means you can earn money by recommending products you love and trust. Think of it like being a salesperson, but you don't need to handle inventory or shipping. You don't have to worry about the complexities of running a traditional business. Amazon takes care of all of that. They handle the storage, packaging, and delivery of the products, ensuring a seamless experience for your customers. You can share your unique affiliate links on your website, blog, or social media. This flexibility allows you to reach a wide audience and tailor your promotions to your specific niche. The more people click your links and make purchases, the more you can earn. It's a scalable way to increase your income over time. It's a fantastic opportunity for bloggers, website owners, and anyone with an online audience. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, the Amazon Affiliate Program offers a user-friendly platform to monetize your content and grow your earnings. Becoming an Amazon affiliate is free and easy. You just need to sign up on the Amazon Associates website. During the application process, you'll provide information about your website or social media platform. Amazon will review your application to make sure it meets their guidelines. Once you're approved, you can start creating affiliate links and promoting products. Sharing your affiliate links is simple. It's an essential part of your affiliate marketing strategy and can significantly boost your earnings if done correctly. Amazon provides you with a unique ID that you can add to any product link. This ID is crucial because it tracks the sales generated through your links, ensuring you get the credit you deserve. When someone clicks your special link and makes a purchase, Amazon knows to credit you with the sale. This process is seamless and ensures that you earn a commission for every qualifying purchase. You can share your links in many ways. The more creative and diverse your sharing methods, the better your chances of reaching a wider audience. Add them to your website, blog posts, social media updates, or even email newsletters. Each platform offers unique opportunities to engage with your audience and encourage them to click your links. Be creative and find what works best for your audience. Experiment with different approaches, analyze your results, and refine your strategy to maximize your affiliate marketing success. Section 4. Finding products with high commissions. In this section, we'll explore how to identify products that offer the best commission rates on Amazon. Not all products on Amazon have the same commission rate. Some products offer significantly higher commissions than others, and knowing which ones to promote can make a big difference in your earnings. Some categories, like luxury beauty products, offer higher commissions than others. These products often have a higher price point, which means a higher commission for you. It's smart to focus on promoting products with higher commission rates to maximize your earnings. By strategically selecting these products, you can significantly boost your income. Do some research and find products that your audience would be interested in. Look for items that not only offer high commissions, but also align with your niche and audience preferences. For example, if you have a beauty blog, you can promote high-end makeup, skincare, and hair care products. These items are often sought after by beauty enthusiasts and can yield higher commissions. By focusing on these high-commission products, you can create content that resonates with your audience while also maximizing your potential earnings. Remember, the key is to find a balance between high commissions and audience interest. Section 5. The power of starting early. Your affiliate journey begins now. The earlier you start with the Amazon Affiliate Program, the better. Building a successful affiliate marketing strategy takes time and effort. By starting early, you can start growing your audience, building trust, and earning commissions. Don't wait any longer. Sign up for the Amazon Affiliate Program today and unlock your earning potential.